Hi guys, Ronnie here and welcome to the workshop. Today I will guide you through the installation process and the build process of a very special bike which I'll be building for one of my VIP customers. The frame set is the latest Pinarello Dogma F and there are some pretty exclusive parts that will go on it, which I'm going to show you in detail, and obviously the rest of the build as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the bike build. Okay, and now for some accessories. So we have an SLF Motion ceramic bottom bracket, an SLF Motion derailleur cage for the rear mech, pedals. These are the Speedplay Nanos from Wahoo, which is the lightest version available from Speedplay with the titanium spindles and hardware. We have a MagCAD 3D printed Garmin mount. We have some sprint switches for the handlebar, and to top it off we have MV bar tape and a pair of NV carbon bottle cages. For the wheel set we have the Princeton Carbon Works Wake 6560 wheel set, equipped with the very exotic and very expensive Tactic Racing hubs, and on top of them there are Michelin Power Cup tubeless rear tires in a 28mm width. The Princeton rim is the newer, wider version called the Strada, which has a 20.5mm internal width, so pretty up to date, very exclusive wheel set for the very exclusive frame. We also have, of course, the custom painted seat post to match. This one comes with Pinarello's also very exclusive 3D printed titanium hardware on top, which is a thing that you rarely see on an off-the-shelf bike, but this one does have it, so I find that pretty exciting. And on top of that there's a Berk Lupina padded saddle, a very lightweight and also very exotic part in itself. The group set is pretty much standard issue, so Dura-Ace Di2, the new R9270 version, 12-speed of course, except the cranks, which are going to be Quark D4 cranks or crank arms with a power meter, and on those there's a 5440 Dura-Ace chainring set to match. So these are the parts that we're going to use. Now it's time to build the bike up.